Is your manufacturing operation truly ready for Industry 4.0? Across the industry, factories still face challenges: legacy machines that don't connect, data trapped in silos, and complex supply chains that are difficult to manage. These roadblocks slow down innovation, increase costs, and limit growth. But what if your factory floor, supply chain, and workforce could all be connected, working together as one intelligent ecosystem? With Microsoft Azure Industrial IoT and Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, manufacturers can bridge the gap between the old and the new. Whether you're running brownfield equipment or adopting the latest smart devices, Azure IoT ensures everything works together through open standards like OPC UA. That means you can connect suppliers, customers, and your distributed workforce in real time, simplifying complexity and preparing for the future. Of course, connectivity requires trust. That's why Azure delivers security from the chip to the cloud. With Azure Sphere, Azure Defender, and OPC Vault, you gain proactive threat detection, simplified certificate management, and the confidence that your assets are always protected. And because Microsoft provides long-term equipment support lifecycles, your technology investments remain secure, reliable, and future-ready. The future of manufacturing isn't coming, it's here. Accelerate your path to Industry 4.0 with Azure IoT and Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Simplify complexity. Secure your operations. Scale innovation. Contact DynaTech Systems, your partner in digital manufacturing transformation.